If you're trying to grow your list, you've probably heard the phrase like lead magnet funnel and wondered what the heck, or maybe, but you want to know how to make a good one. So it doesn't have to be complicated. And I'm going to show you by way of our Noomu website builder, but it'll be applicable to you. Information will be applicable to you regardless of whether you use our builder or you use your own. And what I'm using is an example of a template, lead magnet funnel template that we've provided to our Platinum InnerCircle members. So if you are a Platinum member, you will find this precise funnel inside your Platinum membership at EKitHub University. If you're looking to learn more about Noomu or Platinum, I'll put those links for you in the video description. So what we've done is we've got a done for you ready funnel so that we can talk about the different elements for it. But when you are trying to get someone to sign up for free, you really do want to speak to them and reach them where they might be feeling some pain, and you want your lead magnet to solve a specific problem. So here we ask, is feeling scattered, drained, or stuck in a rut? No need for a complete overhaul, just a few simple tweaks in this free guide. So they have a problem. And sometimes problems feel like they could be really hard, like a big problem that could be difficult to solve, that they'll have to change their life completely, right? But in this case, we're giving them the assurance that they don't have to redo their whole life. It's just a few simple changes, and it's in a free guide. So free is a great thing to lure people's attention and also making it easy. So making sure that your the headline you have hits those points, right? And so what we've got is here is a flame, claim your totally free guide. Real change is easy when you implement these 12 simple daily health habits. And then there's a little bit of information about it. So you want to so they're going to start scrolling. They're not signing up. They're going to start scrolling. You want to grab their attention again. And we ask them, ready to feel more energized, focused, and at peace. Let me just fix that without overhauling your entire life. Again, it's kind of the same message, reiterating it. So this free guide gives you 12 simple but powerful. Simple is a great word, and powerful also is a power word. Daily habits to support your physical health, mental clarity, and emotional well-being. You'll learn how to break the cycle of burnout, shift unhelpful patterns, and start creating a life that actually feels good one step at a time. And then there is a few teaser bullet points, which are great to have because you're telling them what's in the guide, but you're not revealing it. You're evoking curiosity. So these say the counterintuitive reason your current habits aren't sticking and what to do instead. A powerful mind shift that makes letting go of old patterns feel natural, not forced. And it goes on. Don't miss your chance to grab this free guide available for a limited time only. Start your habit transformation in the next few minutes and take which makes it sound easy, right? And it's limited time only. So you're creating some urgency and take the first step toward feeling better every single day, allowing them to visualize what their life could look like. And then it's always great to have, if you're introducing this to people who don't know you, right? You want them to learn a little bit about you there. Have a photo of yourself, and make it about them. You can say, my name is here in the headline, but I think it's why I made this guide available to you, or why this guide is here for you, which would make it even more about that person and less about you. But of course, you still want to introduce yourself. Hi, I'm blank, and I'm passionate about helping people create meaningful, lasting change without feeling overwhelmed or discouraged. I know firsthand how hard it can be to juggle life, health, and everything in between. Okay, so let's break this down, reiterating the message about making it simple, but also making big changes. And then I know firsthand trying to show empathy and create a connection with that visitor. That's why I put this guide together and made it available for free so you can start building simple, powerful habits that support you even on your busiest day. So another point of visualization for them, how they know when they're really busy, it's hard to stay healthy, and also some empathy because we know how it can get. Space for testimonials. And testimonials can always be, once you have this free guide up and running for a while. You'll have testimonials for them. But you can also very transparently add testimonials from other people who have used your content or taken your advice, and just make sure that the testimonial's clear that is there. And of course, you need to have another call to action as they scroll down here, and we have a form for them to do. So the other parts of your funnel that you definitely need, are a page for them to download their stuff. You can often sometimes do it in a little pop-up, but I think it's always best to take them to a dedicated page. And here you congratulate them. Congratulations on taking a powerful step toward positive change. So here's where you're like assuring them that they made the right step, and also helping them visualize that things are going to change for them. And then there's a little note. You may just made a simple but meaningful decision to start showing up for your health and well-being, and that's something worth celebrating. This guide is designed to support you with small, realistic daily habits that create big results over time. So obviously text like this could be adapted to like lots of topics, right? Where you're doing similar things, where you're making things easy for people, simpler, breaking it down, and it's the same idea. Go ahead and download your copy below and take that first step today. You've got this. And then you want to have a place for them to download. And then you can also include information about your product here. Maybe you have something highly relevant. Maybe you have some templates, or maybe you have some support, or maybe there's a 7-day challenge or something that they can do as a next step. But it is a space to connect with your audience, whatever you would be the next step for them to do. And when they download the guide as well, you probably want to include that information in there as well. So just some thoughts for you and ideas on how to create a very simple funnel that will take people from your visitors to subscribing to your list, and then you are able to follow up with them. And again, if you want to get your hands on this particular funnel, it's all totally done for you, and people can download this precise guide. It's ready to go, or you can use it to adapt it to your niche, and then you have all that copy that you can adapt to your own specific topics. So the link for that is in the description of this video. And also, if you would like to take Noomu, which is the builder you're looking at right now, for a free spin, the link for that is available to you as well. We hope to see you there.